Over 100 bonded labourers rescued from an agarbatti factory just outside of Bengaluru last week are now on their way back home. The workers from West Bengal, Jharkhand, Assam and Nepal had been locked up and guarded with dogs to prevent them from leaving. The company owner and 3 supervisors have been arrested.
An early morning raid on an agarbatti manufacturing unit in Kaglipura near Bengaluru by district authorities found labourers living in miserable conditions.
उसके बाद हम लोग को गार्ड साथ गार्ड था, उसके बाद 2 कुत्ता था, हम लोग भागने के लिए पर भाग के भी गार्ड चला जाते हैं, इसलिए सोच करके अगर ड्यूटी नहीं जाने को देते तो हम लोग को बहुत मारा था। उसके बाद हम लोग को बीमार हो रहा है बोलने से दवाई नहीं दिया था, जांच नहीं करवा रहा था, अस्पताल लेके नहीं गया था। उसके बाद हम लोग को से बहुत मारा था।
2 साल हो गया, अभी तक नहीं जाने दिया है। पैसा नहीं मिला, कुछ नहीं मिला, घर में भी एडवांस नहीं मिला, नहीं लिया था। इधर भी मैं बोला था अकाउंट में भेज दूंगा बोल के, तो नहीं देना है, मैंने नहीं बोलने से नहीं देता है।
नाइट में जब हम रूम जाते हैं उस समय 7 गार्ड रहते थे और कुत्ता भी रहता था, इसलिए हम लोग बाहर जा नहीं पा रहे थे और जब सोते हैं ताला लॉकर बंद कर देते हैं।
An NGO, the International Justice Mission, was asked to help with the rescue and rehabilitation of the victims.
There are about 3 or 4 child labourers, and there are, up to 20-25 years. Some have worked for us, for 3 months or 4 months, and many of them have worked for 2 years. And their work conditions is so bad that they've not been paid anything at all, like 0 rupees. Especially the story of one of the boys is very touching. He said that when he came here, he found that his mother's leg was broken, and mother said, "Come and see me." He tried to ask permission to leave, and they said, "No, you can't leave." So somehow he managed to run, and apparently he was caught and brought back and beaten.
The labourers are returning home now from their nightmare, with the hope of a better time to come. With DM Kumar, Maya Sharma for NDTV.